Okay, this is IT Essentials. I had the wrong day there. Day 5, week 3, Wednesday. We talked about assembly. I went over a few hardware items. We worked on Linux install. We had some success. Started that. Did exam 2 in groups. Advanced hardware, we just got started talking about that. At the end of class, we talked a little more about change. We talked about being able to fail and growth mindset. This is all based around, we watched the grit video, and in there we talked about this idea of everybody can learn. You know, it isn't like you're blessed with X, Y, or Z intelligence. Everybody's brain, everybody has the ability to learn. Okay? So we shouldn't think of it as a set mindset. We should think of it as a growth mindset. And then grit talks about perseverance, being able to work through the failures because you know with persistence you can succeed. We talked about computers as we put them together. We talked about DIMMs, memory. We talked about the CPU a little bit. I introduced RAID storage just briefly. We'll talk a lot about that in the next chapter. We talked about slots, PCI, extended PCI, and how that all communicates each other on the motherboard through the bus. Boot process. Talked about post and how these are related, BIOS, CMOS, and then talk about power supplies. All those are in the next chapter, chapter 3, which we will be working on next week. So in the curriculum, you should be done with chapters 1 and 2, and currently working on chapter 3. Alright, that was it for the day.